Good. Who's turn pick? Number 7.
Oh yeah. The length is to hold aluminum will be 42, and the length is to hold will be again for These tools are made with the length of
All right. So in one corner, I'm going to put a hole in the other one. Opposite of it, I'm going to put a hole also. One that the aluminum goes into is the sprue, S-P-R-U-E. Then what's going to happen is when I actually pour this, we'll have that hole right here. I'm going to pour it in. That pattern is no longer going to be in there. I will have pulled that out. That's my next step you're going to see here. So the aluminum travels through that, and then it starts coming up out of the other one, and we call that one the riser. Riser, just like what you stand on and fire, right? Okay. So I want the holes to go just slightly more than halfway. So you guys can see there, we know exactly where halfway is, right? So I like to mark it with my thumb, or sometimes I go ahead and I put a line on there for you in Sharpie. So we're going to put one in right there, punch it down, and we got to clean that sand up. Right down there. Remember, you guys will be doing all this right over there, so we kind of keep all that mess confined. So I'm not going to fit all 20 of you guys when you're all here in that tiny little space.
Maybe 2.
It'll get a little snug, right? I think we would know we didn't shower today, right? All right, so right there. All right. That tool is called what? Any guesses? That tool is called the screw and riser bit.
Riser?
Screw and riser bit. I told you such technical names here. All right. All I was doing there is I'm just kind of packing that sand a little bit so it doesn't get all loose. Hopefully, if I did this right, this doesn't all come falling apart. We can lift the top off. You can see we even have that little triangle there for the void. It's in the back of the pirate ship there. Somebody read the next one, please. What's that piece? What's that piece in here? Buried?
Yeah.
Vocab word. Pattern. So the pattern is going to have to be removed.
With a spoon.
Told you we have such really technical stuff here, guys. We have a spoon, all right? Works great for a little shovel. So what we're going to do is we got to dig a path right over to our pattern and dig out that little bit of loose stuff down at the bottom. We're creating that gating system, a little path for all that aluminum to travel. All right. So again, same thing up here at the top. Down, there. If you blow it away, trust me, close your eyes, guys. Those safety glasses are not going to get the sand out of your eyes. You don't want to learn the hard way. Let me make those learning the hard way mistakes. All right, so we get that nice and clean then. Last step is I carefully lift the pattern out.
Very carefully.
There we go. It is. It's a lot like building safety. So if you like playing in the sand at the beach, then you're going to have fun with this one. All right. So once I've got all that back on there, well, before I put it back together, I kind of show you, like I said, we literally poured this earlier this morning. All right. So the exact same one, it's kind of situated in there, about the same, a little different placement. But the idea now how this kind of works. All right. So we're going to put that back on here. It takes about a good 2 to 3 hours, depending on the casting. So like I said, that was first block when I poured it. I pulled it out of the sand right before I went to the 5th block lunch. It was cool enough to touch. Alright. At this point, you're then going to leave it on this board. You're going to set it right down on the floor there. See where all those scorch marks are on the floor? You think we goofed a few times? Yeah, we goof sometimes. Or I should say you guys goof sometimes. You're the ones pouring it, not me. Alright. Also get your initials in the top. What we're going to do now is we're going to skip over 9, 10, and 11. Somebody get a time check for me. 2 o'clock.
158.
Let's skip over to number 12 there. We're going to go right back over here. So, I have my piece here that we already cast. I actually have a video of casting that I'm going to show you guys we did 2 years ago. So this is all like that. Now this one broke off real easy. This one is also going to break off real easy, I can tell you. Just like that. Alright? So it's nice and thin there. If yours were a little thicker, like let's say it was like that, you're going to break that by hand? Probably not. What tool could you use?
Clamp.
Could use a clamp and then maybe try and beat it or something. That's not going to work well, right? Nah. It's a little more simple than that. What kind of saw? Close, grab it. What's that called?
Handsaw.
Hacksaw. Hacksaw. H-A-C-K. Alright, so number 12 there. First step. Step A is going to be a clean it out. Clean out the sand.
How do you do that? You put it in water or?
Now, what you're going to do is this will all be buried in sand still. You're going to pick all that up and take it over to the great big sandbox and just kind of take it out. Step B. B as in boy there is going to be to, what are we cutting off? We're using the hacksaw. What do we call these?
Risers?
That's one of them. Right, sprue and riser. Sprue and riser, so we're going to cut off the sprue and riser. Step C is going to be to sand it if needed. And when I say sand it, I'm talking about the stationary sander right over there by where sander's at. Sand. Alright? This particular one turned out pretty good. Usually on this one, what I'd be looking for is if there's any bad spots underneath to keep it from standing up. So this one is in pretty good shape here. Again, yours is going to turn out exactly perfect. I've done this a few times, haven't I, Ryan? Yeah. Alright. Step D, which is where I'm going to pick up right now. What do you think I do after the sander?
Polish.
We're going to polish it. Alright, I'm sorry, file it first. Got ahead of me there, Hunter. So on this one, I'm just going to file off those bad spots. If I have any others. Sometimes you'll have some little burrs around it or something like that. Alright? Step E.
Polish.
Step E.
Polish.
Polish. Now we're going to polish it. So polishing is going to be done with,
Sandpaper.
what do we call this? Not sandpaper in the metal shop. It's like those things Jancy uses for nails. Emery boards. So this is an emery cloth. So you get it all nice and shiny. Alright, and then finally that last step there, and that's going to be an optional one. Any guesses?
Clean it up.
Paint. Paint. Why is it optional to paint the stuff made of aluminum?
Because it looks nice already.
What?
Does it look shiny?
Does it look shiny? Does aluminum rust? No, aluminum does not rust. Alright? That's why we do have to paint the chisel. You'll see on Monday when we come back and I start talking about this chisel again, it's gonna have a coat of rust on it already. All right? So, questions on casting? All right, we're gonna stop there for today. Bring your packets with you.